Hey, we are at the Eskimo booth checking out some of the houses here, and this is the 2000. This is the Escape 2000 we're looking at here. Now, this is a little bit smaller house. It doesn't have the height and such, but it has some things that are really appealing for someone like myself. So let's jump inside and take a look. First off, easy access. You've got big doors on both sides. You can get in here from either side very, very easily. Secondly is I end up fishing, unfortunately, by myself because the kids are in sports or busy with practices. This is one that I could fish by myself. I can handle this by myself. So I can throw it into the back of the side-by-side in the back of the truck, and off I go. I've got a lot of space. If there's two people, we can fish side by side, and then we've got our room for our holes and our electronics and heaters, and everything can go up in front. If I'm all by myself, well, I can sit right in the middle, and I've got, because of the bench seat here, I've got plenty of room to do whatever I want in the space. We've got the nice brackets that they use in all their Escape houses where they've opens it up, so we have a nice big doorway. We've got windows in there. We've got our Sled gray interior, thermal, so it's insulated. Just a lot of features in here. Again, that are things that I can handle by myself. I can fold this up and throw this into the back of my truck very, very easily. So we're going to put a link in the description below. Again, this is the Escape 2000. If you're someone who's looking for something that's easy enough to handle, but yet you can take one of the two of the kids with, you definitely need to check this one out.